Happy birthday po, Ma'am Nimpa. Wishing you good health, long life, and happiness.
Oh, okay. Happy birthday, Nimpa. 75 years old ka na. Na-surprise ka ba? Sabi ni Jay, wag ko lang sasabihin eh. Anyway, wish ko more years of good health, happiness, at blessing. Parang balance sheet ito, no? Sana lagi maayos and full of joy ang buhay mo. Love from me.
Happy birthday, Auntie Nimpa. May God bless you from Royal Family.
Happy birthday, Mama Pam! Good health, long life, more blessings to come. Enjoy!
Hi, Tita Nimpa! Happy and blessed 75th birthday! We are grateful to your children, your loving family, for having us take part in this wonderful milestone of yours. For that, we are very grateful, humbled, and feel special. On behalf of our family, I'd like to say thank you for the friendship you've had with Papa and all your friends since high school. It's not every day that you get to see such a friendship lasting that long. And Mama and I, we say that we're thankful because we've become extended families of that big circle of friendship. And as for you, we'd like to wish you and pray for you good health, continued happiness, and of course, waking up each day, savoring and enjoying God's blessings. Again, a very happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Nimpa!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Nimpa. Good health always and ingat palagi.
Hi, Ninang Nims. Happy 75th birthday. You are so blessed. 75th. Ako nga, hindi ko alam kung makakarating ako dyan. Kaya, always take good care of yourself and be happy. Yun lang siguro ang pinaka-sikreto dyan. Maging masaya. Alisin yung stress. Yung mga ginagawa natin, dadaan din yan. Yung mga deadline na yan, sanay na tayo dyan. Parang routine lang. Kaya, always be happy and stay strong, stay healthy. Love you, Ninang!
Kamusta na po kayo? Ayun, gusto kong bumati ng happy birthday sa pinakamagandang mami sa buong mundo, sa Mami Pangko. And wish ko para sa iyo, Mami, more birthdays to come pa, and stay healthy pa, Mami. And sana sa susunod na birthday nyo, hindi na po birthday greetings yung maibibigay ko. Kasi sobrang miss na miss ko na po kayo, Mami. And gusto ko mag-thank you for letting me love you as my mom, hindi man po real blood, pero sa inyo ko po naranasan yung magkaroon ng magulang. Kaya sobrang thank you, Mommy, and sana makabalik na po ako ng Pilipinas para naman po makasama ko na kayo. And ayun, enjoy your day, Mommy. Happy birthday. I love you.
Hi, Mami Pang. Happy birthday po. Naway patuloy ka magkaroon ng pangmalakas sa pangangatawan para makakapagsaya ka, syempre, and makapagluto ng masasarap. God bless you always po. Enjoy your day. Love you.
Happy birthday, Mami Pang!
Wishing you good health and longer years to come, Mami Pang.
We love you!
We love you!
Ayun, ako nga pala si Oding, anak ni Boy Tiwa. Binabati ko si Tita Ning Pasalasal. Happy 75 birthday. Stay pretty and stay healthy, Tita. Andito pa rin po ako para tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang connection ng ating pamilya, kamag-anak, kahit wala man si Tata. Ayun, enjoy your day, Tita. Happy birthday po. Tita Kids.
Happy birthday, Tita Nipa.
Happy birthday, Tita. More birthday drums.
Hi, Timpang. Happy birthday. Happy 75 birthday po. Wala na ako ibang wish kundi habaan pa po. At maraming birthday pa rin po ang dumating sa inyo. Ingat po lagi. I love you.
Hi and hello, my friend Ed Kumaring Nympha. Today, you are celebrating your 75th birthday. Hoping for your more healthy years to come. God bless you always and enjoy your day. Cheers!
Happy birthday, Auntie Pang! Wishing you a day filled with joy, laughter, and all the things that make you happy. Thank you for being a good aunt to me and a good brother to my father, and also a good sister-in-law, a kind sister-in-law to my mom. May God continue to bless you and your family with good health, and may our dear Lord continue to shower you with all the blessings that you deserve. Again, happy birthday and we love you.
Hello, Pang. This is your only one sister-in-law. Happy 75th birthday, and I wish you more good health, long life syempre para sa bonding natin, at syempre enjoy your day. I hope happy ka dyan sa mga pasabog ng mga anak mo at syempre ng family ko. Thank you for everything.
Happy birthday, Pang! Wish you good health.
Happiness, long life, take care always.
God bless!
We love you!
잘 때 나 혼자 내버려두지 않기로. 1 더하기는 귀요미, 2 더하기는 귀요미, 3 더하기 3은 귀요미, 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 4 더하기 4도 귀요미, 5 더하기 5도 귀요미, 6 더하기 6은 귀요미.
Happy birthday, Mami Pang.
Happy birthday, Mami Pang. Stay healthy. I love you.
Happy 75th birthday. I know you didn't expect this, but we hope we're able to surprise you. That's why we are gathered here to celebrate with you. Just enjoy your special day. I wish you good health and of course more time to live. I love you so much, Mom. Mwah.